We're at LEGOLAND today. We're gonna experience the new LEGO Galaxy Land. We're gonna go and try the Galacticoaster in the restaurant in LEGO Galaxy called UFO. LEGOLAND!
Okay, like I said, we will get some.
One, two, three.
That's cool. I was like, I'm not right, babe.
That's super cool. Whoa! I'm gonna take the kids on this ride real quick. We're on Launch and Land now. Whoa, look at that. We ready? We can't film on this ride, we gotta go! At LEGO Galaxy, you can build your own rocket and send it into orbit at Rocket Assembly Bay. The kids right now are building their very own rocket ship, having so much fun. Zoe's in the middle of building hers. This is super cool. JJ is about to send his up into space. JJ's flying his rocket ship right now. There it is at the top. He's going down. Oh, JJ, you got it. Shoot, buddy. Shoot, JJ. Yeah, there you go. Here is my rocket. Look at that. Looks silly, but it's super fast. Got the double cheeseburger. This bun is so thick.
Like, you chased it.
It's good. The burger was pretty good. The loaded fries were pretty good. The brownie, which we have actually right here, we can only take a couple bites because it is so thick and so rich. It's very good. We will eat it sparingly because it goes a long way. Kids are playing on the new playground in the Galaxy Land. We have yet to go on the Galacticoaster. I'm really looking forward to that. Oh look, there's a character. I don't know his name yet, but I will, because I'm gonna get his autograph. Jordan said it's character time. We're gonna know his name. Let's go.
Biff Dipper.
We weren't able to get his autograph. His claws don't close. Roller coaster time.
I want to go on the rocket.
Let's go. Galacticoaster time.
There's room for everyone. Mission briefing starting in 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, cadets. We need your help. A giant space rock is zooming towards us. Remember the 3 S's. 1. Spacecraft. Customize it. Climb a balloon. 2. Separators. Locate them. Lead them to the asteroid. 3. Safe return.
Pick the coolest nose design for your spacecraft. Just one. Got 11 minutes.
Choose one. You guys want to choose?
So there's burger wings.
Play for one. 3, 2, 1. Amazing teamwork, cadets.
Last minute.
Wow.
Yeah.
Looking good. Galacticoaster is an excellent ride. We loved it so much. The only thing we wish is that it was longer. Such a fun ride. Whole experience is great.
Yeah. Super cool. Here, choose